Facebook Friends is a feature that allows users to connect with people they know and build a network of friends online. Users can send friend requests to people they know or accept friend requests from others. Once they become friends, users can view each other's posts, photos, and other activities on the platform. The friend list is a curated list of users' connections, and users can customize it by creating different categories such as close friends, family members, acquaintances, etc. Users can also unfriend or block someone if they don't want to see their posts or activities on the platform. The Facebook Friends feature is an essential part of the platform and helps users to stay connected with their friends and family members even if they are far away. Facebook's algorithm also utilizes users' friend lists to suggest content, pages, and groups that might be of interest to them. This helps to personalize the user experience and increase user engagement on the platform.